Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix download complete not working in eFootball clone app. First go to the Play Store and download the Iceland app and complete the setup. If you need help, check the setup video link in the description. After completing the setup, you will see that a work profile has been added to your phone. Now open the Play Store and search for eFootball. Tap on install. Since it's already installed your phone, it will install instantly. Now open the game. Now the download will complete. Please wait for a minute. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.